My name is Frank, and I'm a happy HEA customer. When I found out that there was no monthly obligation, I couldn't believe it. Having no monthly payments at the time for me was important because interest rates started going up. Business slowed down. I already had fixed bills. I did not want to add another bill. I'm in the mortgage industry already, and I did research further to see how they got paid back, and it completely worked. I didn't want to feel the pinch today. I knew I would feel the pinch when I had to pay it off when I sell the home. But I figured the home would appreciate so much, it would not bother me. I feel like, they take the risk with me. With the finances that I got from Unlock, I used it to get a brand new deck that's over 1,000 square feet and completely redid the landscape. I could have done these improvements without Unlock, but I didn't want to add another financial burden to my monthly expenses, so this was the perfect solution. The process of getting an HEA is very simple and very transparent, and I signed with a big happy smile.